The quick email option within Invoices and Credits makes it quick and simple for you to send out invoices to your customers. Let's have a look at how it works. First, we'll quickly run through the standard email process. So we select our invoice, click Print, choose the Layouts folder on the left, and then select your layout. We could of course flag it as a favourite by clicking the little star, just to save us having to scroll down each time. But we'll select the layout, and then at the top of the layouts page, we click Email. As long as you've already configured your layout with your email settings, a message appears telling you that it was successfully output to email. So we can click OK, and that's it done. We can just close out of the layouts list. So that's your standard process for emailing your documents. But let's now look at the quick email option. So on the toolbar, we click Email. And the first time you click on this option, a message will appear saying that a default layout has not yet been set. Do you wish to do this? You click Yes, and then select your layout. Once selected, you click OK. The standard message then appears to advise you that the report was successfully output to email. We just click OK. Now, you only need to select your layout once, and the next time you click Email, it'll know which layout to use. So if we deselect the invoice that we've got highlighted at the moment, and then we'll select the second one on the list, and then this time when we click Email, the software knows which layout to use, and the message appears advising you that it was successfully output to email. It's as simple as that. So basically the email option is just speeding up the process. There's also the quick print option, which is exactly the same sort of functionality if you print your invoices. Now, if you have selected a layout and it's the wrong one, or for whatever reason you just want to change, you can do that. All you need to do is open the Settings menu, choose Invoice and Order Defaults, click the Email tab, although you will notice there is the Quick Print option there as well. And then against the relevant document type, click Browse. Then you could simply select your layout and click OK. You would then click OK at the bottom of the Invoice and Order Defaults page. You return to the invoice list, and that's it done. That brings us to the end of this video, and we hope you found it helpful. If you did, or would like to leave any comments, simply click Yes at the bottom of the article.